Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, March 20th, 2020. Yesterday's problem of the day solution. Rhonda exercised for 5/6 hour every day for 5 days. How many total hours did Rhonda exercise? This one should look familiar to you guys. I believe we did it when we were at school. Here is the solution. Rhonda exercised for 5/6 hours. I circled 5/6 hours because that's important information. She did that every day for 5 days. 5 days is more important information, so I circled it. How many total hours did Rhonda exercise? I underlined how many total hours because that is also important to figure out the problem. The operation that I decided to use to solve the problem is multiplication. So I multiplied 5, the number of days Rhonda exercised, times 5/6 hour, which is the length of time she exercised each day. So when you multiply a whole number by a fraction, it is the same as saying 5, or it's the same as saying that whole number over the number 1. So then I showed 5 over 1 times 5/6 equals 25/6. The problem with that is 25/6 is improper. So when I convert it to a mixed number, my answer is 4 1/6 hours. If you didn't want to do that and you'd rather work with tape diagrams, I showed you a tape diagram at the bottom of the page. So I could also solve this by drawing a tape diagram. And it's important to know when I'm drawing a tape diagram that I'm working with units divided into 6 parts. How do I know that I'm working with units divided into 6 parts? I know that because the denominator of my fraction is 6. So each tape diagram is in 6 parts. So I drew the tape diagrams. I split them up with the longer lines here. So each one's in 6 parts, and then I split them off into 5/6. So you can see this is the first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, and then we have 1/6 left over. So you can draw models and tape diagrams if you don't feel comfortable with the multiplication and converting the mixed number, or converting the improper fraction rather. All right, joke of the day. What did the ocean say to the pirate? Nothing. It just waved. Carmen, please let me know if you got that one today, because I just see you there shaking your head and telling me that it wasn't funny. So comment if you got it. Obviously, it's Friday, so that means no homework, unless you didn't get anything done this week. Then you should try to catch up before we get started next week. I will be calling home today and Monday to check in. So if you don't hear from me today, you will hear from me on Monday. Continue to work hard. I love seeing all of you guys in the Google Classroom. Continue keeping in touch. Continue making the Flipgrids. If there's something you want to learn about, let me know. Discovery Education has a ton of cool stuff on it that I'll definitely be playing with over the next couple days and posting for you. Other than that, miss you, love you, have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe, listen to your parents, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.